Okay, to continue with our database for project 5, I have my form opened up, my pictures are working. I'm going to go back under the view and go to design view. And what I'm going to do now is I'm about on page 300, 299, 300. I'm going to first off change the background color, and all you do is click anywhere in an open part of the form and go to fill background color. They want us to pick a gray, a nice shade of gray. And then they want us to add a title. The title is under the design tab. Go to title, and actually we'll put our title up there, which is good. Now you can, and we'll do this probably later on, but you can do it now. I'll mention under the format tab you can change the boldness and the colorization of this text just like you would anything else. So maybe I want to make that like a dark blue. I can center it just to have that set up the way we have it right now. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do, this is probably maybe the most interesting thing. Back under my design tab there are several controls. One of the controls, maybe slightly different place on yours, is a subform or subreport. Click on that and I'm going to add a form, a subform. And what it's going to do is bring up a window. It's going to ask us what exactly we're doing. What we're basically doing is we're adding another element to this form, another table or query or whatever we want. So we're going to use an existing table, and we're going to actually select the client, the table client. And then we're not going to use all the fields, but we're going to use the ones on figure 5-46, which is client number, client name, amount paid, and current due. Okay, and then what that will do, we'll see it in just a minute. Go to next, keep that as it is, hit next. For the name here, though, we're going to change this to say clients of analysts. Analyst. And hit finish. And notice what it did. It put a new item down here. Now you can move this around just like you can in any other controls. You can widen it, and I think it might not be a bad idea to widen it a little bit. At least widen it to the point that all of the items are showing up there. Same thing, you may want to make it a little taller so everything fits in there. So let me see here. Yeah, that looks good. A little bit bigger, maybe even a little bit bigger. Let's try it. Oh, it's giving me difficulty here. There we go. Almost. If I click up here in the top is where I select the whole outline. There it goes. It looks a little better now. You can always use your scroll item as well. So what that subform does is this. Let me go ahead and save this. Save it, and then I'm going to switch to form view. And now look at this. This is what my form with my subform is. I have my various fields here, which we're going to clean up even a little bit more later. My picture's working. Here's my subform called clients of analysts. I can flip through this inner or subform by using my fields, or when I click on the other set of records, it changes these as well. So it's kind of a nice thing. The picture's changing, all these various things are changing. What a powerful looking form I have here. So let's save it for now and clean it up and finish it up here shortly.